When you start a new document in Illustrator, you go through some document setup options. Once you create that document, how do you get back to the document setup in Illustrator? What we need to do is go up to the File dropdown. From the File dropdown, we'll actually see Document Setup down here. Now, if color mode's what you're after, you can change that right here, but we can go into Document Setup and edit a few things. For instance, we can change the units of our document right here. We can edit whether there's a bleed and how much, and if it's all the way across, link all the top, bottom, left, right directions, or if you unlink them and have the bleed be a little bit different on each side. You have a few other options here, as well as the transparency options. Now, you can also edit your artboards. So the artboard is one thing that you choose in your document setup when you start a new document. You choose the size of your artboard. So if we click on Edit Artboards, it actually takes us to the Artboard tool. That's already available here in our tool panel, and it's Shift-O as a shortcut key. Now we can edit this artboard just by grabbing the corners like any other shape here in Illustrator, but we can also make the actual height and width edits over here in the Properties panel, as well as the name of the artboard and quick rotations from vertical to horizontal and more. You can also go to Artboard Options and get even more detailed information about your artboards. But that's how you can edit the document setup here in Illustrator.